UP Police Constable ReExam key answers second shift August 23 mathematics. You can download the PDF in the description. If the cost of 6 mangoes is rupees 1990, what is the cost of the 10 mango? The answer for this question is rupees 150. A sum of money is paid back to annual installment of rupees 1764 each, allowing 5% compound interest compounded annually. The sum borrows was. The answer for this question is option A, rupees 3280. C and B can do work in 18 days and 24 days, respectively. They worked together for 8 days, then C left. In how many days did B finish the remaining work? The answer for this question is option D, 10 days. A and B can do work in 75 days. They began work together, but A left after some time and B completed the remaining work in 23 days. After how many days after start of the work did A leave? The answer for this question is option B, 19 days. The increase in price of certain item was 25%, then the price was decreased by 20% and again increased by 10%. What is the resultant increase in the price? The answer for this question is option A, 5%. In what ratio must the two types of tea at rupees 180 per kg and 280 per kg respectively be mixed so that the obtained mixture sold rupees 320 per kg earns a profit of 20%? The answer for this question is 4 is to 13. The ratio between the speed of A and B is 2 is to 3 and therefore A takes 50 minutes and more than the time then B reached to the destination. If A had walked a double at the speed, how long would we have the taken cover to distance? The answer for this question is 22.5 minutes. The answer for this question is option C, rupees 28,000. By selling a car of rupees 6,400, Mr. Rao lost 20%, then the cost price the car is rupees 8,000. The answer for this question is rupees 500. A used two-wheeler dealer sells a scooter for 640, 460 and makes some loss. If he had scored at rupees 580, his profit would be the double if he lost. What is the cost price? The answer for is rupees 500. A boat 80 goes 80 km upstream in 16 hours and 72 km downstream in 12 hours. The speed of the boat is 6.5 km per hour. A person car now 1 of 2 km an hour. Still water. He finds it takes twice as long as up to row down into the stream. The speed of that stream is 191 of km per hour. The SCF of 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 is 1 by 60. The answer for this question is 30. The SCF of the 285, 510 and 1440 is 15. The answer for this question is 4.5 km per hour. A man travels a first 200 km of his journey at 80 km per hour due to bad weather. He travels the next 200 km of his journey at 50 km per hour. What is the average speed of the first 400 km of his journey? The answer for this question is 61.53 km per hour. The answer for this question is 10.5%. The sum of money becomes 3 times at 5% per annum simple interest. At what percentage will be the become the 6 times in the same time? The answer for this is 10.5%. If 70% of the number is 0.35, then 120% of that number is 0.6 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. These are the key answers for UP Constable Re-examination August 23 second shift mathematics key answer.